In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your orders on the North Face website. First things first, let's get started by opening your web browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other browser, the process remains the same. Once your browser is open, head over to the address bar right at the top of your screen. You'll want to type in do.thenorthface.com and then press enter. This will take you directly to the homepage of the North Face website. Now that you've made it to their site, the next step is to sign into your account. Look towards the top right corner of the webpage. You should see a link that says sign in. Go ahead and click on it. When you do this, you'll be directed to a page that asks you to enter your credentials. Simply type in the email address that's associated with your North Face account, followed by your password. Then click on the sign in button to proceed. This action will log you into your account and redirect you back to the main screen, but now you'll be able to access all your account details. With your successful sign-in, your next destination is My Account. Look again towards that top right area of the screen. You should now notice your account name or perhaps an icon representing your profile. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled My Account. Clicking here will take you to a new page where all the specific options related to your account settings will be available. Finally, it's time to navigate to your order history. On the My Account page, take a look around for a section that mentions orders. It might say something like View Orders or simply Orders. This section is where the North Face keeps a record of all your past purchases with them. Click on this and you'll be presented with a detailed list of all your orders. Here you can find information such as order dates, the status of each order, and even tracking numbers if the items have been shipped. It's a handy tool for keeping track of what you've bought, when to expect deliveries, or revisiting your purchase decisions. If anything seems unclear or if you encounter any issues, remember that the North Face customer service is only a few clicks away, ready to help with any concerns you might have. And there you have it, a straightforward process to check your orders on the North Face website. Whether you're tracking a new purchase or looking up a past order, these steps will guide you to the information you need. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful.